In this video we're going to find out, is Bitcoin ready to form a new all-time high, because we broke out from this perfect double bottom and the break of the 50 moving average and this upward sloping trend was the signal that we could expect this major break and once again claim the 100,000 US dollars. And if you've been subscribed to my free Telegram group, you would have known all of this information because I keep you up to date what is happening in the overall crypto market. And yes, we have been opening some major trades. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can capitalize from this major altcoin season that we could expect and how you can trade all of these coins to make a massive profit, because overall guys, this is only the beginning. And yes, I even made this call on Trust, which is already up 197%. We are seeing this retracement at the moment, but this just gives you the opportunity to load in exactly here because we're still up 97%. So yes guys, if you want to buy this meme coin on the spot market, on the Solana network, the links will be in the video description below. But if you want to stay one step ahead in the overall crypto market, make sure to join my free Telegram group. And yes, you can also copy all of my trades because I even posted this in my free Telegram group and you had the opportunity to enter on this trade on Pepe and also Link, because yes, overnight we perfectly hit our take profit on the Link trade. We saw this major breakout towards the upside, and yes guys, we're still in a lot of trades. So if you want to copy all of my trades and be profitable during this bull market, go down in the video description below, sign up to BloFin and join my free Telegram group where you'll find all the information how to join my signal group, because this is only going to be the beginning. And yes guys, I do expect that Bitcoin is either going to bounce on the 23.6 like I also updated you in my free Telegram group exactly here, because yes, these are the common retracement levels from the swing low all the way to the swing high. We could expect that Bitcoin could bounce at the 23.6, which perfectly lines up with 100,000 US dollars, or we could see that the price movement of Bitcoin once again comes all the way back down to the 38.2. This would be my worst case scenario for Bitcoin at the moment. But remember, just like I told you, that these moves towards the downside are going to be extremely fast. And yes, I even told you that these altcoins are going to see a major pump towards the upside, because ultimately guys, yes, we saw this major dump where everybody was extremely fearful in the markets, and I uploaded this video, Crypto Crash, the moment everybody feared. And the message of this video was, don't wait for any retracements and the price movement to come even lower, because remember what I said, it is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market, and this move towards the upside is going to catch a lot of people off guard. And if we're just going to look at the price movement from yesterday, from the low all the way to the high, we could see that Link went up 49% overnight. And over on the daily crypto bubbles, we can see that all of these coins, Sui went up 24%, Link 22% just in the start of this day. And we can also see a lot of coins like Beam, Say, Phantom, Pith, Stacks. But if we're going to go on the weekly chart, yes guys, you're still getting a discount of some of these coins, like Stacks is still 18% down within this week. So don't wait for any retracements. The golden opportunity is exactly now to enter the crypto market, and I'm going to show you a secret how to buy these coins to get a major return in a short period of time. So watch the video until the end, because first of all, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin. And yes, I already told you what I could expect for Bitcoin, either the 23.6 as a retracement level, retesting the 100,000 US dollars, or we could even come all the way back down to the 38.2. But overall guys, I do expect that the first scenario, the bounce at the 23.6, is going to be the level that Bitcoin is going to hold, and that we're going to see this consolidation. But once we're going to break this downward sloping trend, we could expect that round about the 101,000 US dollar level is going to be the next major breakout towards the upside, and yes, the next major level and the new all-time high for Bitcoin. So we're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement levels all the way from the previous high all the way to the swing low exactly here where we had this major liquidation wick, and we're going to look at the 1.618 as the next major target for Bitcoin. This is going to be the 112,000 if we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to break its previous all-time high. And yes guys, if Bitcoin is going to break its all-time high, we could expect that all of these coins like Link, stacks, they're going to see a major push towards the upside. But before we're going to look at the altcoins, we're going to look at some data. We are entering this major bull market. Yes, we were in this boring phase up until now, exactly from the bottom all the way to the current price movement. This is just the beginning and phase 1 of the bull market, where all the smart investors are accumulating and getting into the crypto market. And yes, at the beginning of the bull run, exactly where we are, this is usually when all the FOMO starts and all the retail investors, all the masses come into the crypto market due to this major media attention. And yes, this run all the way from the current price all the way to the all-time high is going to be at least 9 to 11 months. And a lot of people say this time it's different because BlackRock is entering the market. We're going to see the cycle top sooner. I don't believe this is going to happen, because remember what I said in the previous video, these are the most dangerous words in the crypto market. This time it's different, because we can see that history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, and the cycle perfectly makes sense. We can exactly figure out when we have the previous all-time high, exactly when we started this major parabolic run in the previous bull cycle, and this worked out perfectly, because if you've been following my channel, exactly here, I called the bottom from this major manipulation zone, and I told you exactly here is going to be the beginning of this major bull run. And yes, we could expect a further move towards the upside, because if we're going to look at the next data, this is going to be the pi cycle top indicator, which is the 350 daily moving average and also the 111 day moving average. And we can see that in the previous cycles, we broke the 350 day moving average towards the upside. And once we broke this level towards the downside, that the price movement came underneath this green line. This was exactly the top. And if we're going to look at the current price movement, the price is still under the 350 moving average. So we could expect once we're going to break this level, this is going to be a major parabolic run. And as soon as we're going to break the 350 daily moving average on the daily chart, this could be the indication that the cycle top is reached. So yes, this is going to be one of the indicators that we're going to use to determine when to get out of the market. But guys, if you've been out of the market and if you didn't accumulate all these coins, because we could expect a major altcoin season, you've been missing out. And you need to be subscribed to my channel, because my channel is really getting traction, and I noticed that a lot of people are not subscribed. Pause the video, smash up the like button, subscribe, and join my free Telegram group, because ultimately guys, we're going to open some massive trades. Yes, a lot of these trades, like the trades on SUI, which is up 67%, this is a swing trade. And we're going to scale this trade up, because this is on a low leverage, and if you didn't buy all of these coins and you have only a little amount to invest, you can, instead of buying all these coins on the spot market, open a long leverage trade, a low leverage trade on SUI, because if you're going to open this trade on the 3x and SUI goes up 10%, you're going to make 30%. And if you're going to buy SUI on the spot market and SUI goes up 10%, you're just going to gain 10%. So this is going to be my secret. We opened all of the swing trades on SUI, Casper, Baby Doge, Radium, Ondo, Pepper, Ethereum, and also Injective, and we can see that we are perfectly in profit. Yes, we could expect this consolidation, but overall guys, this is going to be a major breakout towards the upside, and now is the time to accumulate, because all of these coins are going to see a major return. And on the weekly chart, you can see that all of these coins like TIA, Jupiter, Stacks, GRT, Solana, they're still at a major discount, because on the daily chart we can see that these coins are waking up. SUI went up 25% and Link went up 21%, because if you go over to Link, I gave it this entry exactly here, and yes, this was around about 3 weeks ago. You could have doubled your investment, because we can see that Link all the way from my call is now already up 95%, and if we're going to break towards the upside, because we can see this extremely bullish pattern, this is a major cup and handle, and the price target from this cup and handle is exactly from the neckline all the way to the bottom, all the way to the swing low, and now we're going to drag this line over to the potential breakout, and exactly at the neckline being exactly here. And now we can see that the next price target, the estimated price target for Link, is going to be round about the 78 to 81 US dollar level. But ultimately guys, during this bull market, we could expect a major pump for Link. If we're going to look at the Fibonacci extension levels, look how perfectly this lines up. The 1.618, with this target of this major cup and handle pattern. But guys, we could even expect this major pump all the way to the 4.618, because with all these retail investors coming into the market, this major hype, and also Link being a major player when it comes to real world assets, the tokenization of real world assets, we could expect this major pump, and all the way from the current price all the way to the 4.618 with a price target of round about $226. This is going to be a 700% move, and if you would have bought exactly here 3 weeks ago, this would have been a target of 1400%. But let me tell you, you're not too late to enter all of these coins, because if we're going to go to the others market cap, the total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 coins, we could expect this breakout, because at the moment we are around about 404 billion. And if we're going to break the previous all-time high, we could expect this major pump all the way to a level of the 2.4, round about the $3.4 trillion market cap. Yes guys, we could expect a lot of capital flowing into the crypto market due to the major adoption of the overall crypto market, due to the pro-crypto government, and also due to Bitcoin breaking the 100,000 US dollars. Because remember, Bitcoin doesn't have any marketing. The only marketing that Bitcoin has is the price movement. And if we're going to see this absurd price movement for Bitcoin reaching a price target at the end of the bull market round about the 350,000 US dollars, we could expect that all of this money is going to flow into altcoins, because from a psychological standpoint, a lot of people can't afford to buy one Bitcoin round about the 100,000 US dollar level. And from a psychological standpoint, people always want to hold one whole coin, so they're not going to invest into Bitcoin. They're going to invest like into coins like Stacks, Link, where they can buy a huge amount of coins with a little amount of money. And this is exactly what we are going to see. First of all these retail investors getting into the crypto market, into coins like Solana, Stacks, Injective, all the coins that we have opened on BloFin. And yes guys, if you want to trade all of these moves over on BloFin and receive a major deposit bonus of 10% cashback on your deposit in form of a futures bonus, make sure to sign up to BloFin, because ultimately guys, this is a non-KYC exchange. You can sign up from any country without any KYC, because over on the crypto bubbles guys, we could expect a massive altcoin season. Because if we're going to look at the previous cycle, the altcoin season, the altcoins broke out exactly here. This was exactly on the 1st of December 2020, where we started with this parabolic altcoin season, which lasted all the way until the 1st of November 2021. And if we're going to look at this time frame, yes guys, once we broke the previous all-time high for the others market cap, the total market cap excluding the top 10s, we saw this major pump towards the upside. And once again guys, we are exactly here at the beginning of this major altcoin season, and as soon as we're going to break the previous all-time high, this major FOMO is going to start, and all these coins like Link, Uniswap, where I gave it this entry all the way down here. Yes guys, I told you in the previous video that this is going to be a fast move, and you should just accumulate. Don't look at the price, just enter the market, because if you would have waited for lower numbers, you would have missed this major opportunity to get Uniswap at a major discount. Because yes, I gave you this entry all the way down here, you would have already been up 80%, but yes, the market gave you a major discount all the way from the swing high all the way to the swing low. This was a discount of round about 28%, but if you try to outpace the market and outsmart the market, you're going to buy all the way up here. And remember what I told you, it is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. So if you want to be profitable during this bull market, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash up the like button, activate the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video, and make sure to be in my free Telegram group where I keep you up to date. And yes guys, if you want to copy all of these trades, make sure to join my free Signal group where you can copy all of my spot trades and all of my swing trades and even scalp trades. We are in all of these massive trades, so make sure to be for crypto. And now's the time to accumulate, because all of these altcoins are going to see a major push towards the upside. And if you missed to buy all of these coins at the bottom, now's the time, your last chance to enter the crypto market before we could expect this major altcoin season, because you want to be buying at this major accumulation zones before these altcoins are going to see a major push towards the upside. Like for Uniswap, we're still under the previous all-time high, so don't wait until the price movement is all the way up here when all the FOMO is going to start. all the retail investors are going to push our bags. So now's the time, buy low, sell high, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.